Effect of temperature on solubility of solids, solute in liquids. Now here we will see three cases. First we will see case 1. Case 1 is there are certain ionic solutes. Their solubility increases when the temperature also increases. Most of the substances fall into this category. You have examples: NaNO3, KNO3, potassium nitrate, NaCl, KCl, etc. What is the reason behind it? Very simple. When solute is dissolved in solvent, most of the substances of this type, you have to heat the solution, then it will get dissolved. What is the meaning of this? So if you want to understand this, let us put equilibrium arrow marks. Once I put equilibrium, I will have to talk something about Le-Chatelier principle. All of you know what is Le-Chatelier's principle. I am not going to say the definition. Now, if the temperature increases, equilibrium shifts in that direction, where it will create a situation for the equilibrium. Equilibrium will shift in that direction and make the system temperature decrease. That means what? Here forward equilibrium shifts in the forward direction. That is the reason I said when the solubility increases, when the temperature increases, solubility also will increase. Means when it is shifting in the right hand side, means more amount of solute will be dissolved in the solution. So this is your case 1. So therefore, what is the conclusion? More solute, when temperature increases, more solute dissolves in the solvent. Okay. Case 2 we will see in the next concept video.